My phone automatically goes to silent mode or mute itself. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just scroll down to your notification center and check if your phone is in silent itself. So as you can see, my phone is not in silent and it's in the vibration and in general mode. So I'm going to go and swipe it again and see if my phone is in DND option. So right now it's toggled on. So if you have toggled on the option, make sure to toggle off this option of DND. So here your calls and notifications will not be silenced. After that, tap on the DND option and then it will lead you to the settings. Then just scroll down and select on DND again and tap on schedule turn on time. So make sure that you have toggled off this option. After that, go back and then tap on your power button and then restart your device, and this might solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.